Personally, I would like to have a caste base because we are a caste-based society, India, predominantly. Two, all the programs on the reservation system in the country in terms of jobs and political reservations to education, employment reservations based on the caste. And then always the question comes in the Supreme Court, what kind of a scientific data we have to provide such reservations, whether to minorities or majority communities. So to have any exact data, it is maybe advisable to have a clear picture of the different caste people in the country. But there's other problem, practical problem, when I raised this discussion with the Minister of State for Home, Mr. Ajay Makan. He said that the anthropology department come up with saying that over 75,000 caste under OBCs, 1,500 subcaste among SCs and STs. If we train these teachers who are collecting this data, training them itself for this many thousands of caste existing and compiling that data may not be practically possible. And this may divide society further. So that is the scare the government has. That's what explanation is given. Though I may not personally want to have this data, but the government is saying it is practical difficulties. And I think we need to have some kind of scientific data to have these reservations in the future for minorities and SCs, STs, OBCs to have a to make it makes easy for court to make a decision to have this quotas implemented. See, some states have their own state level data available conducted by the OBC commissions and in different states. That data is also available, and obviously the OBC belong to the one community may not be the same come to the OBC category in different state. One state maybe belong to scheduled tribe and scheduled caste, and other state may be OBC. So since this uniformity not there across the country, maybe statewide data, because if states implementing, like for example, Tamil Nadu implementing 69% quota for minorities to SC, STs to OBCs, Andhra has 50%. So but Tamil Nadu case is justified and upheld by the Supreme Court of the country, whereas the Andhra, if you exceeded below 50, above 50%, is struck down. So statewide, maybe alternatively, if entire country-wise, if we conduct this data, there could be a problem. There could be more division. If that is the fear government has, an alternative statewide data may be compiled on caste basis, caste-based level.
Thank you.
Thank you.